one of the limitations of teaching human design is that it's a system that has a lot of parts, and
Mhm.
it's a system that is often taught through the lens of you are a this, and this is your label, this is your part. And the thing about looking at the parts of a chart without also weaving them back into the whole of each individual chart is that it shuts down your ability to really look at the overarching picture of who somebody is. It also isn't a labeling system. It tells you about what you need and how you interact with the world. So I would certainly say, are you fixed and rigid as a 4-1? No. I the the first line is called in quantum human design is called the resource. You are here to take the depth of knowledge that you have from your research and your learning to build a foundation of information that is a resource for others. Your line 4, which I actually think in the highest expression can be wildly fluid. Your fourth line, the purpose of your fourth line is to build and be a part of a community and to prepare the way for spreading ideas. Now, the challenge for the fourth line, which in traditional human design is called the opportunist, no, the fourth line is we are taught moves from opportunity to opportunity, opportunity. They stay, they get stuck, they don't move until something else shows up. But that's in the youthful expression of the fourth line. The fourth line, when they grow up and mature, actually knows how to make change. That's one of their greatest gifts. They're facile at transformation. They're facile at finding new opportunities when they learn to build the foundation within themselves that stays in place and intact, so that when they're confronted with the unexpected or the unusual or the foundation gets pulled out from under them, as it happens to all of us because it's part of life, the fourth line knows how to change. And so I would say in the high expression, the fourth line is highly facile, highly adaptable and resilient, and has the ability, because they know how to make change, to bring that knowledge to the people that they are with, their family, their community, their close members of their inner circle, and they show people how to make change. They are the people that always have the contingency plans for here's what we're going to do if this happens. That's the fourth line in its higher expression. Part of what makes it different and unique is that, first of all, they're fairly rare. And secondly, it's a profile that's comprised of two foundational lines. So the first line is the foundation of the bottom three lines, and the fourth line is the
Mhm.
foundation of the top three lines. So it has at its heart the theme of stability. Does it mean that they're immobile and rigid? No, it means that they are
Okay.
able to cultivate stability no matter what's going on around them because they have the knowledge and the understanding of how to make change.